Alright, Dave Knight here at Knight Capital Management. Thought I'd do a quick recording here, put it up on YouTube. This was kind of interesting trade setup today. Notice that over here on our 5-minute chart we have what I consider an uptrend here. See the 200 bar and the 50 bar. This is a 200 bar, this little pinkish bar here. That's a 200 MA. Here's your 50 MA right there, this line right there. And you can see that this is how I define an uptrend. Our order entry came in on this bar right here after the stock market opened at 9:30. Didn't really do anything for the first 15 minutes or so. Now if we look at the 300 trade bars here, you can see our entry point comes in right here at the 47 mark, filled around this mark right there at 9:48, so about 2 minutes prior to the 9:50. Now if you had waited to 9:50, you'd have been filled up somewhere up through here, and that also went on to profit. But regardless, you get in a couple minutes early here. Our first 1R target. Now Van Tharp talks about, and that's always, I think, kind of fascinating thing that I read in Trade Your Way to Financial Freedom. Warren Buffett, if you're familiar with that guy's name, talks about that you should, a much better version of Buffett's #1 rule would be to keep your losses to 1R or less. Now we define our 1R as 1 ADR. Our ADR is our proprietary. Now if we were to take the 47 here, our initial risk this morning would have been 22 ticks on our entry point. So 82.47 less 22. Let's do that right. 82.47 less 0.22. Our initial risk on this trade this morning would have been 82.25. Right around here. You can see that nowhere in this whole trade did it ever get near that. We reach our first R target right here, which is our 22 tick target today. Our 1R target gets reached here at 82.69, right about here at 9:52. Now it does come back underneath our little highway here, right around this area. Let's blow that area up a little bit so you can take a look at it. Right around here we can see the market comes down. Now we define our exit as 2 to 5 ticks less a close underneath the lower band highway. In this case, the 48 mark, you can be looking between 82.46 to 82.43 as an exit. So I don't like to be on a big round number like 82.45. So I was looking at 82.44 this morning as my exit here this morning on the Monday morning. Now it does not reach that, which you'll see happen every so often. You'll come down there, you'll have your stop in place, and it doesn't run it. Notice that it goes and runs the 82.99, which is our 2R target. And then kind of interesting here, the 82.91 gets run right in this area at 10:15. So remember that we were in here at 9:48. So 58.08 in less than 30 minutes we're out on both of our 1R and 2R targets, and then our last target here. And I want to focus in on this last target because it runs an important point as it gets up here this first time through. It gets really close to our upper average daily range, and I'll show you that in the 5-minute chart in just a second. It runs up through here and then comes back down. Now we define that last R exit. If we're coming up to the upper average daily range target, we want to be a little bit more cautious on that last exit here with the remaining part of your contracts. And in actuality, this contract exit comes in as it comes back down through here, and here is your physical exit on the last series of contracts right here at 10:16. So in a matter of running here at 10:15, it goes up, it fails, it comes back down. Jack be nimble, Jack be quick. You know, come in here and get your last contract exit here. That makes it look a little bit better as that next bar printed. You can see it comes back down, comes through here, and if you look at the 5-minute chart on that particular period of time right there, our 5-minute chart was running right here. This yellow dotted line that you see in front of you is what I call the upper average daily range, or what I call my proprietary signal called the UADR. So this is my top target during the day. Notice that we're currently trading at 10:45 and we still haven't breached this market. It works like the target here. It works like think about a rubber ball bouncing off of a mark here, and if it has to have lots of strength to move through. And back down here, see this mark right here is your LADR, so the lower average daily range. This green line up here is the prior day high. So this is Friday's high in the market right here. And you can see that this nice trend that we have here that was established roughly right here, as you see the market crosses over here. The 50 bar crosses over the 200. We're above the support line. We're considerably in a nice little upward trend move. And a nice little trade here. One trade, you reach your full target here. You get first target, second target, and you get your last target out in this trade. This was an awesome trade to come out on Monday morning here. That's all right. It's Dave Knight here at Knight Capital Management. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. We'll see you later. Bye now.